today I thought I would make fresh mascarpone cheese for you. You know, mascarpone is a cheese that comes from northern Italy, in Lombardia, and it's a full-fat cheese. So in this pot, I have 2 cups of heavy cream, and you want to make this using a thermometer because you want the temperature to come to about 180. Between 180 and 190 is fine. So you get it up to 180, and you add a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt. Then you need some sort of acid to thicken, to make this thick. So we're using lemon juice. But in the old days, they used tartaric acid. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I'm going to stir this. Now, what's going to happen is that this cream is going to thicken. It's going to take about 5 to 8 minutes to thicken, and you want it to thicken so that it coats the back of a spoon. So once you've got it to the desired thickness, about 5 to 8 minutes, then you're going to need to let this cool for about 45 minutes. And then you want to strain it and put it through cheesecloth. So we're going to let this cook until it's where I want it, and then I'll show you what happens next. All right, here is mascarpone cheese that has been draining. You see, I lined a sieve with some damp cheesecloth, poured in the cream after it had sat for 45 minutes, and you have that excess whey that comes out. So you really want to let this drain really well overnight, and then you have this beautiful looking mascarpone cheese. Look at that.